I used to very often get vaginal yeast infections. Maybe past year or so, it was so much that every 3 months or every 6 months I was visiting doctor, and she used to recommend some suppositories, some oral tablets, and intimate wash. I asked her if I can continue to use this so that it gets avoided. She said no, there is no relation at all for using intimate wash or vaginal products versus infections. Instead, they pave way for getting those infections. So vaginal products like sprays, gels, powder, perfume, they come by name female hygiene product, intimate washes, female intimate products, vaginal care products. So these are not necessary is what a doctor says until unless prescribed by them. And why do we fall for it? Because all the marketing is done around the fear that we have, that we may smell bad, we may have that vaginal odor, and we may get infections if we do not use them. So in this video, I'm going to talk about why it is not true and what can be done. What is the ideal vaginal care that is needed? Welcome to Tots and Moms, and my name is Kavitha Prashanth. Let's jump into the video. Let us understand the difference between vagina and vulva. Vagina is an internal portion of female genitals, so it is considered as an internal organ, whereas vulva is combined of labia majora, labia minora, clitoris, and vaginal opening, so it is an external organ. So just like our other internal organs, which are heart, lungs, kidneys, our vagina also does not need any cleansing. Vagina is a self-cleaning organ. It is a colony of good bacteria and microbes, which in turn keeps us healthy and helps us stay away from infection. Now, vagina and vulva release a lot of fluids, and these are considered to be healthy. This white discharge or any colorful discharge is actually a sign that you are healthy. A difference in that is an indicator that you need to go to doctors, check yourself once. And even when I talk about odor, doctors say that if there has to be some natural light odor, that is when you will understand your body, and any change in that, any strong smell or fishy like smell, then it is time that you go get checked, because these are the signs that there is a bacterial infection or yeast infection. And that's why nature has made such things that we should not disturb. And any chemical that you add in will disturb the pH balance and will be an invite for these infections, yeast infection, urinary tract infection, or inflammation. There is another very common method that people follow, cleansing method called as douching. Not very famous in India, but somewhere I feel we all use that. I have done that. So what we do is we take the spray faucet or the jet spray available in the toilet and spray it to our vagina, thinking that it is cleansing. Sometimes there is a spray bottle, there is some chemical added into it and cleaned using another external instrument or by fingers inserting inside to clean the vagina. This is going to be dangerous. Again, it can cause inflammation, it can cause cervical cancer, as doctors say. And these chemicals can be carcinogenic. You should not be doing anything that is not needed. Doctors are there to help you and support you if needed. Tampons, sanitary pads, or sprays generally have a lot of chemicals in them. They claim that they can keep you odor free. So what they do, they put in a lot of chemicals. These chemicals are not listed on them, unfortunately. These are definitely carcinogenic and they impact on our reproductive health as well. So what doctors already say is odor is good, and also some of them use panty liners regularly because they think this vaginal discharge or it need not get into your daily undergarment. But no, it actually hampers your natural immunity that your vagina is giving you. It sucks up all that good fluid and it leaves your vagina as an invitation to all other infections. So please do not use panty liners if you're using regularly, and stay away from sanitary pads and tampons as much as possible, because there is an easy and cost-effective method, that is using menstrual cups. At last, I would like to repeat what my doctor said. We do not need these intimate washes regularly, and that's why they don't fall under essentials. So please avoid it completely. Do not fall for the marketing gimmick, and do not suppress our body's natural immunity. So let me know what do you think about it. You have any questions, please do tell us. We will try to reply. And there's a detailed video on vaginal yeast infection. If you want to know more about it, please check the link in the description box. And I am founder of Tots and Moms Foods, which is an organic, chemical-free baby and kids food store. Here you can find cereals, porridge mixes, and pancake mixes, cookies, healthy cookies, dry fruit powder, nutrient boosters in general. So all these are chemical-free, preservative-free, available at shop.totsandmoms.com. You can also find them on Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry, and Big Basket. So do let us know if you want to know more about our products as well. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon in yet another one. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.